हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसएससी फाउंडेशन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन टॉपिक से एग्जाम में पूछे जाने वाले 40 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। आप सब जानते हैं कि हमारे चैनल पर कंप्लीट हिस्ट्री से मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन और आंसर का एक सिस्टमेटिक कोर्स चल रहा है, जो स्पेशली कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए ही डिजाइन किया गया है। इससे पहले हम डे 1 में हमने एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री से 30 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए थे। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स और आई बटन में अवेलेबल है। इसके साथ चैनल पर एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री नाम से एक डेडिकेटेड प्लेलिस्ट भी बना दी गई है। इस वीडियो के बाद उस वीडियो को भी जरूर देखिए। उम्मीद है ये कोर्स आपकी प्रिपरेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा। तो आपकी कीमती समय की रेस्पेक्ट करते हुए चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the Harappan seals were in the shape of, and the correct answer is quadrangular and rectangular. Harappa is situated on the banks of which of the following rivers? And the correct answer, Ravi. Which of the following is not a characteristic feature of the Harappan pottery? Correct answer, red and black polished ware. The Harappan site located near the Iranian border is, correct answer, Sutka Gender. Which archaeologist named the Indus civilization as Harappan civilization? Correct answer, John Marshall. According to recent archaeological excavations, Manda is the dash site of Indus civilization. Correct answer, northernmost. Which of the following Harappan sites is not located in Gujarat? Correct answer, Daimabad. The famous dancing girl statue found in the Mohenjo-daro is made of which metal? Correct answer, bronze. By what name is the Indus Valley region known in Mesopotamian reports? Correct answer, Meluha. Who discovered the ruins of Mohenjo-daro? Correct answer, Rakhal Das Banerjee. To which age did the Indus civilization belong? Correct answer, Chalcolithic age. What were the houses of Harappan civilization made of? Correct answer, brick. Which metal was not used by the people of Harappan civilization? Correct answer, iron. Where is the site of Mohenjo-daro located? Correct answer, Larkana district of Sindh. Who discovered Mohenjo-daro? Correct answer, Rakhal Das Banerjee. Which city in the Indus civilization had no citadel? Correct answer, Chanudaro. Where was Alamgirpur located? Correct answer, Uttar Pradesh. What is the meaning of the word Mohenjo-daro? Correct answer, Mount of the Dead. From which site was a copper chariot of the Harappan period found? Correct answer, Daimabad. Which of the following was not found in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, temple. Where is the first evidence of rice cultivation found in the Indian subcontinent? Correct answer, Mehergarh. What is the probable cause for the decline of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, floods and environmental changes. What was the main occupation of the people of the Indus civilization? Correct answer, agriculture. In which style were the scripts of the Indus civilization written? Correct answer, Boustrophedon. Where has the evidence of a wooden plough been found in the Indus civilization? Correct answer, Kalibangan. Most of the Harappan sites in independent India are located in which state? Correct answer, Gujarat. Which cities are called twin cities? Correct answer, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Which bird was worshipped by the people of the Harappan civilization? Correct answer, pigeon. Which site of the Indus civilization is located in Gujarat? Correct answer, Dholavira. Which city of the Indus Valley was without a citadel? Correct answer, Chanudaro. What does the seal found in the Lothal indicate? Correct answer, trade. What was the largest building in Mohenjo-daro? Correct answer, granary. What was the drainage system of the houses in the Indus Valley civilization? Correct answer, covered drains. Which side of the Indus Valley was divided into 3 parts? Correct answer, Dholavira. In which side of the Indus Valley civilization were fire altars found? Correct answer, Kalibangan. Which side of the Indus civilization had a citadel and a lower town? Correct answer, Harappa. Which site of the Harappan civilization is currently located in Haryana state? Correct answer, Banwali. The people of Harappa did not know the use of which animal? Correct answer, horse. What was the first discovered site of the Indus Valley? Correct answer, Harappa. Which deity was worshipped by the people of the Indus Valley? Correct answer, पशुपति शिवा। तो आज हमने एंशिएंट हिस्ट्री से मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट 40 क्वेश्चन कवर किए। आने वाले दिनों में हम और भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।